So let's do question 35 from 12C. So Calvin had a certain amount of pocket money, and for this week only, quite richer. And then he spent this certain amount of money and this amount and also this amount on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday respectively. So for respectively, that means this is for Monday, and then Tuesday, and then Wednesday. Wednesday. So part A express the remaining amount of pocket money Calvin has in terms of X and Y. So at the beginning, Calvin has this amount, and he spent those three amounts, so you have to minus those three amounts. So for part A, the remaining, usually you just copy the statement from the question. The remaining amount of pocket money Calvin has will equal to this amount with a bracket, minus the money he spent on Monday, 3xy plus 4y squared, minus the second amount, minus the third amount. So it's very long, but be patient. Just copy this down, because the first step, give you 1 mark. Then secondly, you need to remove the bracket one by one. So first, remove the first bracket, and then remove the second one. And be careful, there is a minus sign, so you have to do it like this, minus this part, and then minus 4y squared is like you need to do this multiplication. Then the next term, minus 5x squared, and the next term become plus. It's become positive sign because 2 minus multiply together. And then for the next term, minus 2x squared, and the next minus 3xy, and then become plus 5y squared. So now we have to arrange like terms. So you look at the question, there are three kind of terms. So there are x squared, these three terms. You have y squared, and also you have xy. So we arrange them. We follow the order. First with x squared minus this, and then for xy we arrange them, and then for y squared, so you need to be very patient, just write them one by one. So now they are in three groups, 9 terms in totals. Then you can do a simple calculation. 18 minus 5 minus 2 is 11, and then for plus 2 minus 3 which becomes minus 4, and then for minus 4 plus 2 plus 5 becomes plus 3 y squared. So here is the final solution. And be careful of the unit. There is this money, so use a bracket and also write down the money sign. So here is it for part A, the remaining amount of pocket money that Calvin has in terms of xy. Okay, then for part B, hence, if x equal to 4 and y equal to 3, find the amount. So we have to substitute the value of x and y into into the answer of part A. So we don't have enough space. So wait a minute, I have to remove this thing. Okay, good. So for part B, the remaining amount of pocket money. Once again, you need to write down the statement showing what you are calculating. The amount of pocket money Kelvin has if x equal to 4 and y equal to 3, it will equal to, so copy the answer but change x become 4, so minus 4x, y and y become 3, so just copy all the things without any calculation, but use a bracket for x and y and change them to 4 and 3. Just do it, well, very stupidly. Don't do any calculation in this step. Just do the substitution. Just change x and y, and then for the next step we can do the calculation. It becomes 16, and then become 12, becomes 3 squared, become 9, and then once again also do the calculation, become 176 minus 48 plus 27. So after some calculation, well, it becomes, I don't have a calculator in my hand, so maybe, okay, do it one by one, become 128, and then minus 27, okay, great, plus 27, it becomes 155. So the final amount of money is money, right? So write down the money side, 155. The remaining amount of pocket money Kelvin has is 155. So good, even it is a quite challenging question, but actually when you do it one step by step, it becomes quite obvious. Just a little bit complicated number, but the method to do this question are quite obvious.